Let's begin with the selection tool. The selection tool allows you to precisely choose the specific area of your render where you want to make changes without affecting the rest of the scene. Start by adding your input image. Once the image is loaded, simply select the area you want to modify. After making the selection, add a prompt describing the change you want. For example, type "remove chair" and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the selected element is removed and your updated render is ready. Under the selected area, you'll also find the Reference Image option. By enabling Add Reference, you can replace or add elements using a reference image for better accuracy and consistency. Let's look at another example. Add a new input image and select the area where the chairs are placed. Upload your reference image and enter a prompt such as "remove the existing bar chairs and add the chairs from the reference image provided." Click Generate, wait a few seconds, and your render updates with the exact chair style you selected. You can use the same workflow to add new elements. For instance, to add a carpet, simply select the floor area, upload a reference image, add a prompt like "add carpet," and generate again. It's that simple. Select, add, remove, or replace. The selection tool makes customizing your space fast, precise, and effortless, helping you achieve your desired look in just a few clicks.